Are you ready to conquer the outdoors, tackle emergencies, and feel secure, all while staying illuminated? Then keep watching. Imagine hiking through a dark trail, the only light source being your trusty flashlight. The Victoper LED Flashlight 2-pack is your perfect companion for any adventure. These tactical torches are designed for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and hikers. Whether you're setting up camp, navigating a trail, or walking your dog at night, these flashlights provide the brightness and reliability you need. Don't let darkness limit your experiences. These flashlights boast high lumens capable of reaching up to 656 feet, with 5 different modes: low, medium, high, SOS, and strobe. You're prepared for any situation. Adjust the focus to switch between a spot and flood beam for optimal visibility. The Zoomable function allows you to focus the light for long-distance viewing or widen the beam for broader illumination. This versatility makes it ideal for camping trips, power outages, car repairs, and even security purposes. Crafted from premium aircraft-grade alloy, these tactical flashlights are built to withstand tough conditions. The Type 3 hard anodized anti-abrasive coating ensures durability, waterproof, dustproof, and wear-resistant properties. The ultra-dense, fine-grained, non-slip design offers a comfortable and secure grip, even in wet or challenging environments. These flashlights are designed to be your reliable source of light for years to come. Unlike other flashlights, this 2-pack comes with 6 AAA batteries, so you can use them immediately. A battery case is also included for recharging purposes, giving you more options and convenience. These flashlights are perfect for emergency preparedness kits, ensuring you're never caught off guard during a power outage or unexpected situation. Keep one in your car, one at home, and always be prepared. Looking for the perfect gift for the outdoor enthusiast in your life? The Victoper LED Flashlight 2-pack is an excellent choice. Surprise your loved ones with this practical and reliable gift for any occasion. Whether it's for Valentine's Day, Father's Day, or Christmas, this flashlight is a thoughtful and useful present for men, women, parents, or anyone who enjoys the great outdoors. Give the gift of light and security. With a 4.5-star rating from over 9,000 reviews, users rave about the brightness and durability of these flashlights. Customers appreciate the compact size, making them easy to carry in a purse or car. One user mentioned using them on the beach at night, highlighting their versatility. While some reviews mention battery life, the overall consensus is that these flashlights offer excellent value for the price. Since 2016, Victoper has been committed to creating highly rated night lighting tools at fair prices. Trusted by over 2 million customers worldwide, Victoper brings light and safety to your nights. Explore other products from Victoper, including high-powered flashlights, bike lights, and headlamp series to meet all your lighting needs. Visit the Victoper store on Amazon to see the full range of products. Ready to experience the brightness, durability, and versatility of the Victoper LED Flashlight 2-pack? Head over to the Amazon product page for the Victoper LED Flashlight 2-pack and grab yours now. Don't miss out on this essential tool for outdoor adventures, emergency preparedness, and everyday security. Light up your world today. Subscribe